Hello everyone. Our domain is Internet of Things and the project name is IoT based Smart Waste Management Systems. This is a group project. So we are four colleagues, Miss Neha Dage, Miss Golyanita, Miss Kalbur Kajol and Miss Thore Puja. So this project content explained by the host Thore Puja, which the first part which is introduction, second part literature survey, third part proposed approach and models, fourth part classification processes, experiments, shortest path algorithm, advantages and disadvantages, paper published and their certificates, project competition and their certificates, and conclusion. Introduction. A smart city is a city development to manage the multiple information and communication technology. This product make the solution for any problem in the city. So smart city includes many information such as local department information system, schools, libraries, transportation systems, hospitals, power plants, law, traffic system, waste management, and other city services. So this concept is being realized through the use of the real-time systems and the sensors. So first point, data are collected from the citizens and objects, processed in a real time, and finally the gathered information and related extracted knowledge are becoming the keys of talking in efficiency. The main concept of the project, the existing system means waste collection system contains the municipality has continuously take care whether the dustbins are full or not. By introducing a smart waste management, collector will automatically get information about the waste dustbin, and that results is minimize the impact on environment. So reduce the collection and cost, also no visible waste and pest. The main motivation about this project is to clean and hygienic city. We get an literature survey. So the literature survey is the title that we refer to the project IoT based smart garbage system for efficient food waste management, and this will motivate it to the smart waste management system. This publisher, which is donated Scientific World Journal, title ALMANAC, that is Internet of Things for Smart Cities. Publisher, which is IEEE paper that we used for the project Smart Waste Management System. The next part, which means the modules, are explained by my colleague Ms. Kajol Karbur. So you can continue.
Hello everyone. In this project, we can use three models. First, administrator model, municipal authority model, and third is garbage collector driver model. First, administrator model. This model is used by main administrator. Only single user can use this model. With the help of this model, all functionalities are controlled and also control the permissions for different users which can access these. With the help of this administrator model, provide the access to new user in other module. Then second model, municipal authority model. This model access goes to municipal corporation. Drivers and bins data is collected in municipal corporation and then forward this data to particular area of driver, and it also provide Google Map and shortest path. And third module name is garbage collector driver module. In that module, we can provide all drivers data, which driver is assigned to which area. This information is provided here, and also provide the data of which driver can collect the garbage. In that field, first we log in this driver app. When we log in this app, he check driver's authority. When the ID and password is correct, then the driver is login in this app and show all status of these bins. Now, next part will continue my colleague Anita.
Hello everyone, good evening. Experimental results are login page, shortest path, dustbin label and message sent to the driver. The login page which is particular, whenever we type the mobile number and the particular password, the login page is open. Second one, the map view. In the Google map, we can see the color of the dustbin, green color, yellow color and red color, which locate the highest one which is red color, the second one which is green color and third one which is yellow color. Whenever we see the dustbin, in the proper dustbin we gave the dustbin id with the dustbin location and the status of the dustbin. The if you have a confused with the status, which means 65% full, 30% full, we gave a perfect threshold value of the dustbin. Whenever the dustbin is full, it gave the notification to the admin. Area view. In an area the Google map is located. There are four in the below of the area view there are the dustbin, which means the dustbin id, status of the dustbin and the staff name, which means in that area which driver will be goes, that staff name will be given to that dustbin. The dustbin ids, those are the different, and status of the dustbin, whenever the threshold level fill, the status of the dustbin is located to the admin's mobile phone or the laptop or the server. There are different types of the DFD levels, means data flow diagram. Our project will be started from the level 0. At the screen we see the DFD level 0. It means the administrator and staff are connected or requested to the IoT based web management system, and the request detail and this detail information is going to the server database. DFD level 1. In that DFD level 1, the project will be covered to the user details. So the location of the dustbin, Google Map API, verify the login details, display map view, location of the database which stored into the cloud server, staff details and staff database which is close to the display area view. The DFD level means data flow diagram 1, which is covered to the user details. So we can explain the DFD level 3. In that DFD level 3, IoT-based web processing system, verify the login details, dustbin status, dustbin database. There are the different contents which is connected to the main identity, and these contents is going to the going to totally cloud server. So we can store the data, we can verify the data, and we can know about the system. Whenever the dustbin location is full, whenever the dustbin location is full, there will be two options. First one which is a text message and second one which is a mail message. So in that area the dustbin is the full, then this notification is going to the admin server, and admin will notify to the driver that in etc location, which means Sharda Nagar location. In that Sharda Nagar, the Udyog Bhavan Samarth Nagar dustbin is full up to 50%, up to 60%. So we can have the two options, which is the text message that we see on the screen, and second one, which is the mail message. It is same as the text message. So there are two one algorithm that we use, which is shortest path algorithm, which means there are different types of dustbin in that area. So admin driver will get confused that which dustbin he have to be picked on that particular location. So we can solve this problem with the help of shortest path algorithm. In that shortest path algorithm, we can notify the shortest path of the dustbin, so it can reduce the time and reduce the cost as well, and driver will get and collect this dustbin on a particular time. So it will be hygienic to the children of that city and and the elders of that city. So everyone's health will be powerful at that time, whenever we locate the dustbin and we get the dustbin on a particular time. So shortest path algorithm, which is very helpful to locate the path, and we can get a shortest path in a minimum time and minimum location. So the next part, which is explained by my colleague Ms. Neha Dage.
Hello, myself Neha. Today I will explain the advantage and disadvantage in our project. First advantage. First one is reduce the cost and complexity of the edge devices. Second one is this is the wireless system. That means the gateway can act as a hub of a different things and wireless protocol. Third one is easy to control and monitor as the whole system is centralized. Fourth one is gateway can control what data to be sent in the internet and provide information to the security. Second one is the disadvantage of our project. First one is a high cost. Second one is a high complexity, and last one is as the system is centralized, failure of center, and how will think to the down to the network. Then next, I will show you a paper published detail. First paper published by our team, IoT-based smart waste management system on 5th September 2019, with the impact factor of this paper 4.14, and volume of this paper is 4. This paper published or IJSR ED journal. Second paper, uh, I will published by 2 May 2020, and with the impact factor 5.84, and volume of given project given paper published is 2. And the same journal with this project will be, this paper was published. And last one is the conclusion of our project. We start from the smart waste bin by using the network environment. The real-time accurate data from the implemented system could be used for the efficient solid waste management system. The system can collect accurate data on the real time, which can be used further as an input to a management system. With load cell calibration approach, it simplifies the calibration process so it can be attached to the commonly used and waste bin without change or modification. The level sensor also can be attached to a common waste bin, so the prototype is suitable for using the conventional management for infrastructure. And main important things in our project will be selected in Avishkar Project Competition 2019. Thank you.